I'm going to show you exactly how to add and customize banners in Canva Docs using a simple step-by-step method that helps you design faster and make your documents look clean and professional, even if you're a complete beginner. And if you stay until the end, I'll also share how to access our totally free Canva crash course so you can keep learning more after this. First, let's add your banner. Head over to your Canva account and click on Create. Choose Docs, and Canva will automatically open a document with the correct layout and dimensions. Once your blank document is ready, go to Elements on the left panel and scroll until you see the Banners section. Click on it, and you'll find a variety of ready-made banner templates you can use. Select the banner you like, and it will instantly appear in your document. To customize it, simply double-click the banner. This gives you full control over everything. Background colors, text, fonts, and layout. You can edit the content to match your document style and brand until it looks exactly the way you want. If you find this video helpful so far, please consider subscribing to help YouTube algorithm show my video to other people who want to learn Canva in the easiest way. And as promised, if you want to access our totally free Canva crash course, just check out the pinned comment down below. And that's it. Now you know how to add banners to Canva Docs, customize every element, and instantly upgrade the look of your documents. If you want me to share more Canva tricks, hidden features, and easy design hacks, hit like and comment more Canva tips. And don't forget to join our free tutorial on how to sell Canva templates online, where we'll teach you the exact steps to create your own templates, set up a free online store, and market your designs effectively so you can start generating sales. Let us know in the comments if you have any suggested topics you want us to cover, and I'll see you on our next video.